Greetings, beautiful creatures. My name is Angel Nightmare. The very first thing we're going to do is slap on some foundation.
Wow, magic!
And then you can move those lip rings so we can put that lipstick on. Except in fact, we are not using lipstick. We're using Maron Paradise water activated face paint in the color yellow. And pretty much what we're doing is just spreading this on our lips, waiting for it to dry, and then adding a second coat to make sure it's a solid yellow, because with these lighter colors and the water activated face paints, it is harder to get it to look a little bit more opaque, so you have to spend more time with it. Or if you're lazy like Angel Nightmare, you can just give up and walk around looking like crap. So next thing we're going to do is draw on our eyebrows. And pretty much what we're doing is we're drawing a thin line and then adding onto it, trying to get it even as possible. And it's okay if it's not, it doesn't have to be perfect. And if you don't have shaved eyebrows, then what are you doing, man? Go ahead and shave those things, come on. Today's makeup look was inspired by the quote, "If life gives you lemons, then make lemonade." Also going to point out that all the products that I'm using in this video and any other makeup video will always be in the links in the description. Those are affiliate links. So if you want to support your boy and also cop some makeup, it doesn't cost anything extra for you, but it also helps your boy out. Yep, so now that the eyebrows are done, we're just going to add that piss colored Demonetized logo in the middle of our forehead, because that's what it kind of feels like every time one of the videos you work really hard on just gets demonetized for seemingly no reason. It feels like YouTube just stamped your forehead with one of them demonetized logos. You're like, oh man, this is a great family friendly video. And they're like, nope.
YouTube touch my spaghetti.
Now we're gonna put these yellow dollar signs on our cheeks, because why the hell not? What else do we have to do on a Wednesday night besides doing homework and studying for the midterm that I'm not doing at this moment?
Your ass gonna fail.
Now next we're just gonna use the same product on our eyelids, and we're just doing the same thing that we always do, just face paint on the eyes, and then we're gonna blend it out with some yellow piss colored eyeshadow. I'd also like to point out that I forgot to put on eyeshadow primer, so the yellow eyeshadow barely shows up or even do anything at all. So I tried. I honestly did. I'm tired. I'm tired. And here is my attempt of putting a white dollar sign in my forehead, but that doesn't work. And I also used the wrong dollar sign. Whew, we done?
Thank goodness.
And yes, this was today's look inspired by demonetization on YouTube. This piss colored logo.
You said piss 3 times. Demonetized.
I also like to point out that today's video is sponsored by Angel, slightly further away from the mic.
Hello.
You can get his shirts. The link is in the bio. Anywho, I would like to thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, smack that bell button, bite that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.